Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class, we have started with the second lesson. Okay, the name of the lesson, components of food. Okay, let us revise what all the things we learnt in the previous video class. Yes, as we learnt, there are some of the essential nutrients. Yes, where these essential nutrients are present? These essential nutrients are present in our food. Where we can find these nutrients? We can find these nutrients in our food only. Okay, not in only one kind of food. These nutrients are present in a different kinds of food. Okay, then which are those nutrients? The first one is the carbohydrates. Yes, in the previous video class we learnt about the carbohydrates. Yes, what are the things we learnt about carbohydrates? What are the carbohydrates? These are the energy giving nutrients. Carbohydrates are the energy giving nutrients. And what it consists of, carbohydrates? It consists of mainly carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. These three things are there in carbohydrates. It consists of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay, then which are the sources of carbohydrates? Here I am asking you the questions. About carbohydrates we learnt in the previous video class, correct? Then what questions will come in that para? Okay, in your page number 13 about carbohydrates they have given. You had to read it. And what are the questions will come that I am discussing now? Then what are the sources of carbohydrates? Nothing but in which food we can find the carbohydrates? Rice, bread, potato, chapatis and sugar. In these food items we can find the carbohydrate. Then we learned some of the forms of carbohydrates. What we learned? Some of the forms. Which are the forms of carbohydrates? Glucose. Okay, next one is the fructose and starch. Glucose, fructose and starch are the forms of carbohydrates. Then which is the biggest portion of our regular diet? Carbohydrate is the biggest portion of our regular diet. And it gives energy. These carbohydrates gives energy to our body. These are all the things we studied in a previous video class. Dear students, today we will study about the next nutrient, fats. So here in the daily video class, one nutrient I will be explaining. So thoroughly you have to read from the textbook. If you get any doubt, you have to contact me. Okay, today in this video class, let us see about the fats here. Then what are fats? Fats are energy reservoirs of the body. Nothing but even these fats also, they will provide us energy, reservoirs. Here the meaning of reservoirs, nothing but the large amount of water is present. For that we call a reservoir. Okay, water is present in a large amount. For that we are calling reservoirs. Nothing but even these fats, they will give us more energy. Fats are also energy providers. When we consume, what is the meaning of consume? When we eat. Consume meaning, what is the consume here? When we eat carbohydrates more than required. Okay, when see dear students, you all know the sources of carbohydrates, nothing but bread, potato, rice, chapati, sugar. When we eat these foods more, okay, more if you eat, which is more required than our body. Okay, then what happens when we eat more carbohydrates, then our body stores the excess carbohydrates as a fats here. What it becomes? Here whatever we are eating more carbohydrates, okay, that excess, the meaning of excess is more here. What is the meaning of excess? More. Okay, the meaning of excess is more here. When we consume carbohydrates more than required, okay, how much our body require, that much amount of carbohydrates only we have to eat. If we eat more, then what happens? Our body, it stores that it stores the excess carbohydrates as a fat. Then that excess more amount of carbohydrate, it is stored as fat here. That is fat. How fat is storing in our body? When we consume more amount of carbohydrates, that how much our body requires, that much it takes, and the remaining more carbohydrate, it is stored as fat here. Fats and lipids. These are stored just below our skin. Fats and lipids, these are the where it is stored. It is stored below our skin. Okay, fats and lipids are stored below our skin here. When we consume carbohydrates more than required, our body stores the excess carbohydrates as the fats and lipids here. How fats and lipids are, okay, it is storing in our body. How? Okay, carbohydrates, if we eat more amount of carbohydrates, that more amount of carbohydrate it will store as a here fat here. Then where it is storing? Okay, where it is storing? One place should be there. It is storing below the skin here. These fats are storing below the skin here. I hope you have understood regarding this one. We get fats from, then which food? By eating which food we are getting the fats? We get fats from food like butter, ghee, nuts, cheese and oils. Okay, yes, whenever you are doing the chapatis, we will apply what? We will apply the oils. Okay, if we eat more that one, more than our body requires, then it will store as a fat here. Even in a butter also, in butter also fat is present, ghee, nuts, cheese and oils. These are the fats here. These are the sources of fats. As we learned which are the sources of carbohydrates, bread, potato, rice, chapati and sugar. Then which are the sources of fats? Butter, ghee, nuts, cheese and oils are the sources of what here? Fats. Fats acts as an insulator and keep our body warm here. Yes, dear student, these fats will keep us, if you touch your body, little bit warmness you feel. Okay, little bit hot you feel, not more. If you have more, if your body, if your temperature is more, you feel yes, fever is there. But almost all body will be warm here. Why our body is warm? Why? Because of the fats. Fats are present in our body. Because of that purpose, our body will be warm here. They protect the organs of the body. Fats, they will protect us. In our body there are many organs are there. Internal organs are there, external. Internal organs are nothing but heart is present where? Inside our body. We can't see. Okay, that is internal. What? Heart, okay, the stomach, all it is inside. Outside is nothing but eyes, ears, nose. These are the hands, these are the external organs. So they protect organ of the body. All the organs it will protect. These fats will protect here. Food items which are rich in fats. Yes, you can observe oil. Oil is rich in what? It is rich in a fat. Butter. The picture of butter you can see. This is a butter. Okay, this is a source of fat. Cheese. Yes, you all like cheese very much, which is present in a pizza. That is cheese here. The cheese is also rich source of fat here. Nuts. Yes, we are eating different kinds of nuts. This is also a source of fat here. These are the food items which are rich in fats here. With a picture I have explained here. Okay. There are two types of fats are there. How many types of fats are there, dear students? There are two types of fats. One is a vegetable fat and one is animal fat. How many types of fats are there? There are two types of fats. One is a vegetable fat and one more is a animal fat. Then what are vegetable fats and what are animal fats? Let us see here. See here, vegetable fat which is found in a oil made from plants such as coconut, mustard and groundnut. Nothing but vegetable fat we are getting from these plants. Okay, vegetable fat we are getting from the plants here. Vegetable fats are found in a plants. In which plants? Coconut. From the coconut we will get a coconut oil. Okay, mustard oil we will get. Okay, groundnut. Yes, groundnut also. Groundnut, from a groundnut we are getting groundnut oil. Okay, nothing but these vegetable fats are found in a plants. The fat which is found in a plants are known as a vegetable fat. Example, coconut, mustard and groundnut. Then what are animal fats? The fat which are found in a which are found in a animals, which we found in a milk products. Yes, animal. From where we are getting milk? From the cow, buffalo, yes, goat, we are getting a milk. Okay, so which these animal fat is found in a milk here. Nothing but animal fat we are getting from animals here. So which is found in a milk product? Butter and ghee, these are the milk products we call. And meat and fish, these meat and fish also we are getting from where? We are getting from animals only. So what are animal fats? Animal fats are the fats which are found in a milk products like a butter and ghee and meat and fish. These are the about vegetable fat and animal fat. Okay, dear students, today in this video class we studied about the second nutrient, that is fats. Okay, I hope you have understood this concept. Okay, go through this concept from your textbook also. Read, have habit of reading science lesson. So now it's a time for the homework. Here I have given some of the difficult words. Write 5 times in your rough book. The first word here is a consume. How you have to pronounce, just hear properly. Required, stored, butter, ghee, cheese, excess, organs, warm, stores. These are the some difficult words. Whatever I taught today in this concept, from that I have chosen these difficult words. In the next video class, again we will continue with the third nutrient, that is proteins. Okay, dear students, for your understanding purpose, daily one type of nutrient I am teaching. So thoroughly you listen the video. In the next video class again I will continue. Till that, take care, do the studies. Thank you, bye.